Hi friends, today's project is t-shirt rug. We can make this from old t-shirts. Take an old t-shirt, then I cut out the sleeves from that. Then fold the t-shirt. Up to here. Leave around 2 inches, 2 inches in the side, and fold up to there, the other side. And mark 2 inches. Two inches. Now cut. Just cross the one side. The 2 inches we left before, don't go there. The side you have to leave. Then you will get a continuous. You can make long. Now we cutted all the pieces. The end we left it without cutting. Now we have to open this from like here. We will get this type. What we do, we cut this way, like this, not this way. Okay, just cut it. Then we will go slanting only. Now we will cut with like this. This method will give you continuous t-shirt rug. You will get the continuous yarn, so no need for tying or anything. The end we will go out, cutting like this. Now we got the rug continuous. You see, you will get as a ball without tying, nothing. Let's start. First make a loop like this. needle, press the needle inside that, then pull the thread, pull the yarn through that hole. Now make another one, pull the yarn through the hole, pull the yarn through. Now it is 4 stitches. So go to the first stitch and make a knot. Pass through the first, got it? 4 stitches we made. Then go back to the first stitch, put the needle and take the thread through that first hole, then the second hole, second loop. So we get this round. Okay, now we make like, we take the yarn, pull through. Stitches. Now go to the center, pull the yarn, pull through 2. Do it loosely. If you make it so tight, then it's too tight like this. Okay, we made 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now we make 4th one. Stitch like this. Through the center, take the yarn. You get 2 loops. Pass through both loops. See, now pull the yarn, you get 2 loops, pass through both loops. Two loops, pull through 2 loops. Okay. Needle, you get 2 loops. Right. We made 10 stitches. Last we put our needle to the first stitch we made and pass through and take the yarn through that one, and then the last one we done. Now it's locked. It calls a slip stitch. Now we start our next row. For that we make 1 single crochet like this. This is 1 single crochet. And what we do, we need some marking here, so the end of our row. So I am putting this here, so when I coming back I can see my starting point. Anything you can use. This is a big yarn, that's why I am using this big marker type. This is not a marker actually. It is the earring. Okay, now 1 single crochet we made here. Now we make other one. So one stitch we make 2. To the next we make 2. 1, 2, and the next stitch we make 2. The third stitch we make 2. Means all 1 stitches we make 2, so it's an increase. You see, all 1 stitches we are making 2. We came back to the first stitch we made. Now this is our last stitch. We are going to this and we pull through that stitch and pull through our last stitch, so it makes slip stitch. You can see the round is beginning. So first row it's like 10 single crochets. The second row, each single crochet we made first, we make 2 single crochets to each, so it's an increase. Now we do what we do, we make 1 stitch we make 1, the second stitch we make 2. It's increase alternatively. Add this to our slip stitch. So we make 1 single crochet, then we go to the second one. Second one we make 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, the second one 2 single crochet. So it's like 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Complete this pattern up to here. The third row we do like 1 single crochet to the first, 1 single crochet to the second, then 2 single crochet to the third, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. This is the third row pattern. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Now join with our last stitch, last row. Now this is like making round and round. The next row we will make like 1 single crochet to next 3 stitches, and 4th stitch we make 2 single crochet. So it means 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the 4th one. So after that round, 4th round, we will make 1 single crochet to all stitches, and we will make continuously, no slip stitch or anything. We will go round and round, and we will make the big round enough to our row. Thank you. Now finished up to this, adding new color. I finished one yarn, so I am adding like this. I added one thread with this, like shiny one, so it gives a little shiny effect. You see. Now we put this knot under this thing, so we do like this. Go to this hole, pull up the yarn, and pull through this. so we added new color. Now the second one, we make another single crochet, another single crochet, continue like this. Now it's setting enough, so I'm going to finish this. Thank you friends. If you have any doubt, please ask in comments. Bye bye, up to next time.